Hello beautiful friends and welcome to my channel. Today we will be having a beautiful on a budget tablescape. I will also be announcing the winner of the giveaway. And with nothing else to say, let's begin. So here's my dining room bare and I already cleaned the table and got everything ready. I also added this new rug. If you haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. And when decorating this tablescape, I wanted to make sure that I bring pieces that make a statement, and I feel like this table runner does just that. Also, this placemat that you guys see here, it is from the Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, it is super fancy for 99 cents. So I got myself a couple of them. Next, I'll be using this set of plates. These set of plates are pretty old and I do not remember you guys where I got them from, but they're everywhere on this size and also square. The main point of this tablescape is to add a touch of modern, and I feel like this dinnerware does just that too. As napkins, I'll be using these ones are from Home Goods and they're pretty neutral. Now, napkin rings, these are from eFavorMart and I really love the design, the Greek design. It looks so much more expensive and it looks like the Z Gallery ones. They have ones that are just like this. The difference is in the price. These ones were $5.49 only for a set of 4. Pretty affordable, and they also come in gold. When it came down to the centerpiece, I wanted to make sure to pick something that made a statement. And these flowers are hydrangeas from Michaels. I got them at 60% off. And also these beautiful roses, they are real looking and they are from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. I went ahead and placed that over this square mirror. You can find these at Michaels, Hobby Lobby, everywhere. These wine glasses are a total statement every time I use them on a tablescape. They are gold on the inside and silver on the outside. These beautiful and gorgeous classic Zero candle holders, I picked them up at Bale's Outlet and they were on clearance. I couldn't believe the prices, you guys. $9, $5, and $7 for a set of 3. So I got obviously 6 of them. And I'm going to finalize them with these candles. They are silver from the Dollar Tree. They also come in different colors, just so you guys know. And I'm placing this throw and these pillows on the side for decorating purposes. The blanket, it is a throw. It is from Safavie from the Core Market. And as you probably seen, these crushed velvet pillows are from Amazon and they were pillow covers that I got last year. And here we have a gorgeous and simple tablescape. Very classy. I love all the neutral colors and I'm enjoying everything about it. What do you guys think of the results of this final tablescape? Now let's talk about eFavorMart, you guys. It is a company that specializes on events, but they also have a lot of home decor pieces. As you guys see here, their prices are very affordable. And this gorgeous table runner that make a full statement, it is from them too, and it was only $5 and change. I mean, can you guys believe it? So beautiful. I have it in different colors. You can also save an additional 15% off shopping on eFavorMart using my code Mimi's Glam and Design. I'll leave you guys all the details on the description box below. Watch how I made this gorgeous wall art using all Dollar Tree items. That video will pop at the end of this video. Now it's time to announce the giveaway winner. Thank you all so much for entering. I appreciate all of you being here. And we already passed 20,000K. We are at 22,000 and I am so grateful for all of you. Now, the winner of this giveaway, it is Mommy Garcia. Congratulations on winning this gift card, $250 from Well Woven Rugs. Mommy Garcia, please leave me your email down below on a comment. Congratulations, and you have 48 hours to claim your prize. If you don't, I will have to pick another winner. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you once again so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up that you like this video. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mimi's Designs at Totally Glam Decor. I would love to have you there to get to know you better. Have a beautiful day, my glam lovers.